Hello everyone, I am Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my younger one. She just turned 6-year-old. So I'm telling beginner because she just turned 6-year-old. She's quite young. And in this book, we are just doing logic games, critical thinking, you can say, just coding, reading through coding, all the basically no maths as such, but just thinking logically coding games. Fun games for sure. And we'll start with the first one. So where will you go? That's what my question is. I have made a bigger matrix with different alphabets. If you're at A, you go straight, then you go down, then you go this one, then you go down, then you go another down. Which alphabet will you reach? If you start at R, you go straight, then you go up, then you go this way, then you go down, and then you go this one. Where do you reach? S. Like that, we will be doing 4 questions. These questions help the child to build focus. That is what is my pain point now, is that she has to focus and should be able to trace as many instructions in one go, because she's a kinesthetic learner. So these small activities help me to make her focus on one thing for at least some time, so that she can read the instructions and follow one by one. That is what is the intention here. Second here is a simple, after a heavy activity is a simple one, just fill the next one. So here this one is colored, then bottom, then top, then it will be bottom. Again here she has to understand one side is colored, top, this one here, then this goes here, then this will be here, like that. And again here 1, 2, 1, here what will be filled, it will go up again. Simple pattern system, just a lighter activity. Now it's again a heavy code, and here it is a reading activity. We are doing 2 phonics rules, silent E and 2 vowel. So for earlier I used to keep a very simple codes 1, 2, 3, 4. I just thought I'll make it complicated for her. Again, complicated means that she has to focus a little more. Her attention span has to be a little more here, which is harder for her, but yeah, that's intention. So for 90 it is S. For 80 it is I. So it's basically a word sight, I suppose. 5 and 50, no, yeah, it is a word sight. So SITE. So that way it will make 4 different words. They either use the silent E phonics rules, or 2 vowels are there, first one does the talking, that rule. So we are practicing here reading, but more of build the focus, find the number and find the alphabet and put the alphabet, and be focused enough to figure it out at least one code. That is why this game is here. Next one here, we are doing again a clue based. Like I give her it's an odd number. It is more than 10, is less than 18. Very simple, odd number means it will be 13 or 23. It is more than 10, it will be either of them, but less than 18, so it will be 13. So again, revising what is odd number, even number, and just because she's reading the instructions here, she has to keep looking here. Again, a lot of pressure on mind for a child like me who just cannot sit for a long time. But yes, these are simple practices which we do. And last one is a fun activity where she has to find which all shapes can you see. So again, I have just made a square, rectangle and triangle here. Like if she cuts it like this, she finds a square. Again here she cuts like this, she cuts like this, and she finds different shapes. So a very simple activity, just make her mind work and think in a different way after doing all these puzzles. That is the intention. And last one is row and column, because she still goofs up on rows and columns. She forgets which is row, which is column. So we are practicing once again. I have made rows and columns. I have assigned the numbers. So if I say B4, put 12. So she has to go to B and look for 4 and put 12. C2, put 14. So she'll look for C and then she'll put 2 and will put 14. So we are doing again spatial reasoning, understanding here, and these all are activities for busy book for my younger one. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.